Hi beauties! Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product, which name is Goodal Heartleaf Calming Moisture Sun Cream SPF 50+, PA+++. I recently discovered the Goodal Heartleaf Calming Moisture Sun Cream, drawn in by the positive chatter surrounding it. Despite its apparent efficacy, it seems to fly somewhat under the radar. My exploration into Goodal's sunscreen range led me to both the lotion and gel types, each offering a unique texture. This chemical sunscreen boasts an impressive combination of 4 sunscreen filters and Houtunia cordata extract, known for its soothing properties. Positioned as an ideal companion for the scorching summer months, it promises SPF 50+, PA+++ sun protection. The key features of this sun cream include being a vegan physical sunscreen, enriched with Houtunia cordata extract, infused with calming ingredients for irritated skin, and a lightweight, moisturizing texture that seamlessly adheres without any caking. One of its notable qualities is the refreshing finish it provides, leaving no undesirable white cast. Moreover, the sun cream proudly boasts being free from 18 harmful ingredients, making it a suitable choice for sensitive skin. Application is a breeze. At the last step of my skincare routine, I evenly spread a proper amount over areas vulnerable to sun exposure. Having nearly emptied the bottle, this Goodal gem has secured its place as my holy grail everyday sunscreen. As someone with sensitive skin, I can attest to its greatness. Even during moments of skin irritation, this sun cream remains a reliable companion. Its moisturizing quality stands out, offering hydration without the unwelcome stickiness or heaviness, and miraculously, it doesn't clog pores. Final thought: I wholeheartedly recommend the Goodal Heartleaf Calming Moisture Sun Cream to anyone with sensitive or drier skin. Its impressive combination of attributes, from a lightweight texture to soothing properties and high sun protection, makes it a standout choice for daily sun care. This bottle of sunshine has truly become my go-to, and I'm confident it will be a welcomed addition to the routines of others seeking an effective and gentle sunscreen.